I travel a lot, and finding a good blow dryer on the road is literally impossible. So I created my own. Meet Baby Buttercup, the ultimate travel dryer. She's super compact but packs a powerful motor comparable to a full-size dryer. She uses ionic technology which seals the cuticle as you're drying, resulting in smoother, shinier hair. Ow! Plus, she also comes with 2 temperature settings and a cool shot button to lock in your style. And when it comes to packing, she comes with her own travel bag and conveniently folds to fit easily in your carry-on. It's the one thing I never forget.
Boarding pass and ID, please.